LMW PRO 51205 measures 655 by 4218 x 165 mm with weighs 51 kilos. The LMW Pro is easy to operate and can be wall-mounted or floor-installed, maximizing space efficiency. Put a mark on the drilling position on the bracket. Use a drill to make 6 holes at the marked positions with a depth of 100 to 110 millimeters. Insert the expansion screw, then screw in the M8 100 bolts. Then push the battery up to the wall bracket and tighten the expansion bolts. Make sure the battery hooks are secured on the mounting board. Before wiring, ensure the battery is powered off. Connect the power cord to the positive and negative terminals of the battery, ensuring correct polarity. The other end of the power cord to the inverter. Prepare a standard communication cable to connect to the RS-485 communication port of the battery. Connect the other end to the inverter. Turn on the battery switch and wait for the communication status. The battery and inverter connect successfully.